Are you ready to unlock a whole new level of reading speed, focus, and comprehension? Whether you're a student, professional, or simply a lifelong learner, mastering the skill of reading faster can change how you learn, work, and grow. In my book, Speed Reading Simplified for Beginners, I provide you with all the tools you need to take your reading skills to the next level, and it's simpler than you think. Let's dive into what you'll find in this book. First up, you'll discover the 8-minute core speed reading exercise. This powerful, proven exercise has helped thousands double the reading speed. Imagine what you could achieve by simply reading faster. But speed is only part of the journey. You'll also get 7 simple steps for reading comfortably on digital devices like tablets and e-readers, plus a 20-question self-assessment to identify your reading habits. Reading faster isn't just about turning pages quickly. I'll walk you through 7 bad reading habits that may be slowing you down, along with 7 common misconceptions that many people have about reading. It's time to break these barriers. Now, here's something new and exciting. AI prompts to enhance your reading experience. I've included 57 AI prompts to help you focus better, streamline your reading process, and make learning more engaging. Think of AI as your reading assistant. And to make sure you stay on track, you have access to a free online course, and I've included a 14-day exercise plan. This plan helps make speed reading a regular habit, setting you up for long-term success. Over the last 19 years, I've helped over 18,000 students, ages 7 to 94, become better readers. One thing I've learned is that reading is a skill that anyone can master with the right exercises and mindset. In this book, I'll be your guide, helping you build confidence, break outdated habits, and enjoy reading in a whole new way. So, are you ready to start your journey to faster, smarter reading? Download Speed Reading Simplified for Beginners. Try the exercises and see how quickly you can transform your reading habits. Visit srstips.com/beginners for access to the free online course that goes along with the book. I look forward to seeing you make incredible progress.